Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. You know how my channel is called Shaving and More? Well, today we're going to jump over to the and more side and switch it up a bit. This will be the first episode of Monday Morning Motivation, where I'll talk about something that will get you pumped up Monday morning and hopefully get you motivated for the week ahead. But before I get started, do me a favor. Click that subscribe button down there. Show your support for my channel. Thank you very much. Without further ado, here's episode 1. It comes in the form of a letter that I received. I'm going to read it to you and then I'll respond to it. It went like this. Good evening, GFB. I wanted to let you know that I'm a high school teacher and recently saw your video about how you got started. I liked your story about being an entrepreneur and the challenges you faced and how you have created a business online. I showed it to my students to demonstrate that success is not simply given but earned. They are facing a future where the job market and retail are changing, and they will have to pioneer their own futures as the economy changes over time. They really enjoyed your story and how honest you were about the challenges you faced. Thank you for sharing your story. And it's signed Ted Buck. No, Ted, thank you for showing your students my video and for taking the time to respond to it. Ted teaches economics at Aldine High School in Houston. He sent this message in response to my video titled The Story of Geofatboy and Shave Nation. Well, I contemplated putting that video out for a long time, since it shared a lot of personal information from my life experiences. Click the link up here if you'd like to watch it. Even some of my friends have asked me, why did you put that out there? Well, Ted's letter is exactly why I did it. I was hoping that my story might help motivate others who have had similar difficulties in life, and I know it has because I've received countless letters and positive comments in response to it. Just read the 668 comments below the video if you don't believe me. Several years have passed, but the memories are eternal. I think you have to go through unfortunate experiences in life to instill tenacity in you so that you learn how to rise above and conquer your setbacks. I actually got a bit choked up after I read his letter the first time. People who are handed everything in life, they can't relate and have no idea what I'm talking about. Tenacity. Let's talk about that. Love him or hate him, it's what makes Tom Brady a great quarterback. Memories burned into his soul. In the 2000 NFL Draft, he was picked number 199. 6 other quarterbacks were drafted before him. Here are some of the lowlights of his draft report. Poor build, very skinny and narrow, lacks great physical stature and strength, lacks mobility and the ability to avoid the rush, lacks a really strong arm, can't drive the ball down the field, does not throw a really tight spiral, can get exposed if he must ad-lib and do things on his own. Really? You can't make this stuff up. But those comments, that's what made him great. That's what puts the chip on his shoulder to excel and drive to exceed everyone's wildest expectations. Now, he hardly has enough fingers to hold all of his Super Bowl rings. Yeah, okay, they had a rough year last year. You think he's going to give up? Let's go! I was going to show some video right here of Tom shouting out his famous rally call, but I refrained. Those damn copyright laws. You think maybe he'll give me permission? I don't know about that. Have you ever seen the movie The Waterboy with Adam Sandler? Definitely not an Academy Award winner, but Bobby Boucher played linebacker for the South Central Louisiana State University Mud Dogs. He conjured up mental images of people who had scorned him in the past for what he called tackling fuel. That's some high-quality H2O. But it's the same concept. Pull something negative from your past and channel it into something positive to push you forward. Michael Phelps, the world's greatest Olympic swimmer, he said, I turned those doubts and challenges into fuel. I didn't need any extra motivation. I wanted to win. I had to win. But most important of all, I didn't want to lose. Through hard work, dedication, and perseverance, we can break down any barrier and overcome any obstacle. Everything you want is right there for the taking. The only way is through. So you got to push forward, overcome your obstacles, and channel that negative energy into something positive that motivates you and gets you out of bed and pushing in the morning and keeps you churning 18 hours a day. What about you? What are your trials, tribulations, and troubles? How did you overcome them? Comment below. Let's hear about it. Well, that about sums up episode 1 of Monday Morning Motivation. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you think about this Motivation Monday idea? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments section. And don't forget, click that subscribe button down there. Subscribe to support my channel. And you'll be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.